In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view in Zendesk Support, a fantastic tool that allows you to group tickets by certain criteria. By setting up these views, you and your team can easily focus on specific subsets of tickets, enhancing efficiency and managing workflow more effectively. Let's dive into the process and explore some of the best practices along the way. First, we start in Zendesk Support by heading over to the Admin Center. From there, navigate using the sidebar to Workspaces, then select Agent Tools, and finally click on Views. This area is your gateway to managing how tickets are grouped and displayed to agents. Once you're in the Views section, look for and click on Add View. This action is your starting point for creating a new view. Now, you'll need to enter a title for this view. Make sure it's something descriptive and clear, so it's immediately obvious what this view is for. Along with the title, add a description to provide your agents with context. This description should clearly outline the purpose of the view, which will help ensure everyone is on the same page about its function. Next, you'll want to set the access level for the view under Who has access. Here, you have some options. You can make the view accessible to any agent, which makes it visible to all agents in your organization. Alternatively, you can choose Agents in Specified Groups if you only want particular support groups to have access. Lastly, there's the Only You option, useful for creating a personal view that only one agent can see. Deciding the right visibility depends on your team's needs, so choose carefully. Moving on, it's time to define the conditions that dictate which tickets will be included in the view. Decide whether all or any of the specified conditions must be fulfilled by choosing between All conditions must be met or Any conditions. This is essentially the AND versus OR logic in your filter equation. You'll then select the ticket fields, operators, and values that are relevant to your view. For instance, you might configure it so that only tickets where the status is New, the group is Support, and the priority is High are included. It's crucial here to clearly identify which tickets are pertinent to your view's intention. A useful tip is to use the Preview option before finalizing anything. This feature allows you to test your configurations to ensure that the tickets shown are exactly what you're looking for. Finally, adjust the formatting options of the view to your preference. Choose which columns to display, allowing up to 10 such as Assigné, Priority, Requester, or Updated. You also have the option to group and order tickets by specific fields, like sorting by the updated date in descending order, to keep the most recent information at the top. Once everything is set up and double-checked, click Save or Create View. Your new view will now be visible in your views list, ready to help streamline your support processes. By carefully following these steps and considering your team's needs, you'll make the most out of Zendesk Support's features.